Okay, on this video, I'm going to show you the side marker turn signal. Right now, I have the standard T10 bolt in there. It's just a regular bolt, and then what I'm going to do, I'm going to install some LEDs. Can't really see them, but I'll make a video right now in the light. These ones have 5 LEDs. They are very bright, and they don't shoot out air codes, and they won't have your car blinking real fast. So let's see if you can see how it is with the stock ones, and then let me put on the other LEDs right now. And now this is how it looks like with the LED light bulb in there. So that's the before and after. So let me go inside and show you the lights that I'm talking about. So now instead of it giving the light a dark orange, it gives it like a yellow flash now. Instead of the dark dingy orange look, now it gives it a bright yellow flash. Now it has 5 LEDs in there, and there's one right here showing. There's one LED right here, and right now when I took off this light, it was real hot with the original light bulb. Now with the LED, as you can see, the lights are not doing what's it called, flashing real fast, like where it's indicating that you have a burnout light bulb, because LEDs uses low current. So most likely if you use a different type of LED instead of this LED, the light will have low voltage, or the car will think it has a burnout light bulb, and the lights will flash rapidly. And but the LEDs that I'm using will prevent that from happening, as you can see right now. So let me show you the lights right now. So this is a quick review of the lights. These are for the side markers for your E90. These are for T10's light bulbs. They're the T10 light bulbs are common in a lot of cars, so these will fit pretty much any car that has are compatible with T10s. The difference between these ones and some other ones is that these are air free. They will not send how you call it, air signals indicating that you have a burnout light bulb, because LEDs use low current, so it will send a signal saying that you have a burnout light bulb. But in this case, these won't. They have little chips in here and all that to prevent that from happening. They're called pretty much resistors, and they don't have diodes in here, or yeah, I think these are called diodes. Either or, but no matter what, you'll find these on my eBay page. So I'll be selling them in pairs, for example, in twos. So they'll be for your fender ones on the E39s. In the previous video I showed you how bright these are. They are very bright, and they will not they will not cause rapid flash, so that's a good thing. If you use another type of LED without the air free thing, they will cause rapid flash and send signals to your dashboard indicating that you have a burnt light bulb, even though you don't. And these are less heat. The stock light bulbs, they do cause a lot of heat, so that's a good thing about these. And these ones should last a little longer. Yeah, so just keep an eye out on my eBay store. When I run out, I'm gonna try to do, restock, but most likely just follow my eBay page. You're gonna see me be adding different things for BMWs, and so you can be the first one to view it, buy it, and to enjoy your new whatever gadget you buy from my eBay store. So hopefully I see you guys on the next video, and yeah, like I said, just follow my eBay store, stay in touch, and then you'll be the first one to be notified of any new products that I upload on my eBay page. Okay guys, if you guys have any questions or concerns, leave a comment down below. If you want a faster response, contact me through my Facebook page, and all the all the information you need, it will be down below in the description, and that's it. See you guys in the next video.